Hello, this is Imtiaz Habib, and the name of our project is I Track a Hiking Tracker. These are the outlines of our presentation: introduction, literature review, methodology, resultant discussion, and conclusion. I will be describing the introduction part of our presentation. Now, what is a hiking tracker? A hiking tracker is a system to sense the changes in surrounding environment of a hiker during hiking. Traveling and hiking is cool. When you can check the changes in surrounding environment, it makes things more fascinating. The device is built to make the experience of a hiker more enjoyable. Now, this system does not require any internet connection, so the hikers do not need to worry about internet. The idea is to observe the changes in temperature, pressure, humidity, and altitude. These features give an interesting insight of hiking to a hiker. For this, we have used so many sensors to implement the features. The features of this system will help you when you are in danger. It will tell you the humidity level when you get dry. It will notify the temperature to a hiker when someone gets dehydrated. Hiker will be able to check the altitude whether they will need any external oxygen supply or not. They will also be benefited by the direction feature of the system at every moment of hiking whenever they need to check the direction so that they don't get lost. This system will give weather update whether it is going to be raining soon or not. So the main objective behind building this project is to make hiking safer and more interesting. So that's it from my side. Our next group member, Saeedur Rahman, will be describing the literature review part of our presentation. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am MD Saidur Rahman. My ID is 1838247 out of 2. Now I am going to discuss about literature review part of our project. In literature review, there are 5 steps, and they are overview of hiking tracker, theoretical review, methodological review, integrative review, and finally systematic review. Now I am discuss overview of hiking tracker. The main goal behind building this project is to make people life easier and more comfortable while they go for traveling. This project is designed to help especially hikers to make their journey safer and more interesting. Now, theoretical review. A basic GPS system will show current position, previous paths, and possible routes you could use when exploring. Think of it as an intelligent interactive map that does not need crayons, a ruler, and compass to read. Now, methodological review. The system uses Arduino Uno as the microcontroller to control all the components and modules that being used. It is programmed using with the Arduino IDE. Now, integrative review. A good GPS tracker will always keep you in the loop. You will know where you are at a time and you will always have some track back device if you cannot find a good way home. They are the safest way to avoiding wasting time walking around in cycles out in the woods. Now, systematic review. Stay updated with environmental changes such as temperature, humidity, pressure, and direction, etc. That's it from my side. Thank you, everyone. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am. My name is Abdullah Hossain, and now I'm going to discuss about the methodology part of our project. In this part, I'm going to discuss about the working principles of our project. The main purpose of this device is to understand the environment. There are two parts in our device. One is hardware part and another one is software part. Now I am going to discuss about the hardware part of our device. In the hardware part, we have used many components. Among them, we have used Arduino Uno to connect other Arduinos. Then we have used battery as the power supply of our device. After that, we have used sensors in our device. By using these sensors, we can identify the temperature and the pressure of the environment. Then we have used GPS in our device. With help of GPS, we can identify the exact location of the hiker so that they don't get lost. We used registers to complete the device settings. Then we added a display to show the overall thing, and this whole thing together completes our whole device. And this was the hardware part of our device. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. This is Nabil Hassan, and I'm going to explain about experimental setup. There are lots of sensors going around with this project, and I'm going to explain about it. LM75B temperature sensor for sensing ambient temperature. ADX L345. This is 3-axis accelerator for sensing gravity. HMC5883 3-axis magnetic sensor for sensing compass heading. BMP180 pressure sensor for sensing atmosphere pressure, and Arduino Uno. There's modifying and connecting the hardware. Uh, Few modifications are made on the Arduino Uno. It is modified on a 4AA battery holder with screw stands and hot glue. If 4A and RC1220 are installed on battery holder, there is space between the battery holder and Arduino Uno board where the pressure, humidity, magnetic and GPS sensor can be placed. And then 12C sensors are soldered together on a place of pref board and placed in this space. These sensors are connected to Arduino Uno from the bottom side. A voltage divider is added to measure battery voltage of 4AA batteries. Uh, this AA battery pack voltage sense line goes to ADC A1 by connecting some pad on the accessory shield with the solder bridge D2, D3, D9, D10 point of Arduino and made available on XB in fact interfaces. And then connection when complete, this going to run, and last we need to program the device. Thank you, ma'am.
The objective of this experiment is to make traveling safer and more comfortable based on GPS-based tracking system, weather forecasting system, and environmental parameters such as pressure and humidity measurement. Basically, the purpose of this experiment was to build a GPS-based tracking system, weather forecasting system using Arduino Uno Group 128 into 64 OLED display, BMP180 digital pressure sensor, DHT11 humidity and temperature breakout board, virtual GPS. Here, by using all these, we made a simulation of GPS-based tracking system and weather forecasting system, where by running the system, we can get the changes in surrounding environment and senses location, temperature, pressure, altitude, and direction.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am. I am Kobi Janatul Naim, ID 183777962, group member of Group 8. As my fellow group members said, the whole project, now I am here to explain the conclusion. So here we can see that the system is very easy to use. So in conclusion, we can say that our software will be helping anyone whether they are going for hiking or not. The software is made to make the experience of hiker more enjoyable. The software sums up all the factors one will be needing for hiking. The software won't need any internet service to work. This report has discussed the development of a temperature measurement and the display system. So in the methodology and modeling part, we have shown the specs and features which are needed to build the software. In the result part, we have shown the possible results and that can make. We added some numerical analysis to show in here. Traveling and hiking is cool when you can check the change of the surrounding environments. It makes things more interesting, especially checking the altitudes, humidity, pressure, and temperature changes within hour while hiking. The device lets you know about in which height you are standing, or in which altitude you are feeling right now. What humidity level makes your skin dry. So so although there is a room for improvement in both circuit and layout code to deal with the caveats, and it's still cool to have gadget like this while you are going for the wilderness and in the free nature. Thank you so much. That was all our presentation about. Thank you.